Hi friends, welcome to MTech. So we read here also other subject. Okay, so the other subject is now CAD and CAM. Okay, we read here according to BTEUP syllabus. So let's start our CAD CAM first chapter. The first chapter is introduction. Here we read about some introduction about CAD and automation. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we read about CAD. What is CAD? CAD is what is the full form of CAD? First of all, we see the full form of CAD is computer aided design. Okay, so now we move on definition of it. Computer aided design involve any type of design activity which make use of the computer to develop, analyze or modify an engineering design. Okay, uh, a set of method and tool to assist product designer means here we can also say the CAD is used for design activity, means we can do design activity by CAD, means computer aided design, as it name. We see design means computer aided, and the last word is design. So here we design any product, any geometrical shape, etc. So now let's further move. Now next point is a set of method and tool to assist product designer. First point is creating a geometrical representation of a product. They are designing, dimensioning, tolerance, etc. Next is configuration management, like if we want to do any type of change in our design or dimensioning, so we can use change also design shape and dimensioning by use of CAD. Next point is our achieving. Next is exchanging part and assembly information between team and organization, feeding subsequent design step like analyze, CAE, manufacturing in CAM. We can also here analyze. Okay, or in CIM we also read about whole CAD CAM and whole process with the help of computer. Now we further move on some basic component of CAD. The basic component of CAM are two types. First is integrated computer graphic, means ICG, and second is designer. So what is ICG? ICG is defined as creation, storage and manipulation of picture and drawing by means of a digital computer. Now it is an extremely effective media for communication between people and computer. Means if we want to talk with computer, then we need a graphic that's help us to talk with computer, because we know computer is non-living, computer can't say, but we use graphic to understand the language of computer, and designer can understand the language of it, and then their design and the design which shown on computer, designer understand. Okay, so next, computer graphic study the manipulation of visualization and geometric information using computational technique. It focus on the mathematical and computational foundation of image generation and processing rather than purely aesthetic issue. Now let's move on furthermore. In interactive computer graphic, means ICG, the user interact with the computer, as we know, and comprises the following important function. Now we let understand the functions of ICG. The first function of ICG is modeling, which is concerned with the description of an object in terms of its spatial coordinates, lines, area, edge, surface and volume. Second is storage, which is concerned with the storage of model in the memory of the computer. Next is manipulation, which is used in the construction of the model from basic primitive in combination with Boolean algebra. Now next is viewing, means in the case of computer, is used to look at the model from a specific angle and present on its screen that we see. Okay, so these are the some function of ICG that's ICG do. Now let's take understand some basic element of CAD system. The main basic elements of CAD system is input device like keyboard, mouse, okay. Or second basic element of CAD system is main system computer CAD software, means CAD software. The other is output device like printer, plotter, monitor, etc. ठीक है. This make human designer to understand and do work on CAD system. So these are the basic elements for human to do work on CAD system. Now let's move further and see the benefits of CAD. What are the benefits of CAD? There are a lot of benefits of CAD. The first point is productivity improve in designing dependent on complexity of drawing, means we can draw complex drawing with the help of CAD system. So our drawing is drawing productivity become improve and clear. Degree of representativeness of feature in the design part, degree of symmetry in the part, extensive use of library of user definition, shape and commonly used entities. Short lead time, means our time become short, we can make shortly any graph. Okay, next is flexibility in design analysis, fewer design error, mean design error become less. Standardization of design, drafting and documentation, drawing are more understandable, improve procedure of engineering change. Next, now we understand the reason to implementing CAD, means what are the reason of our implementing CAD. So the reasons, first point are to increase the productivity of the designer, to improve the quality of the design, to improve documentation, to create a database for manufacturing. These are all reasons for implement in CAD system. Okay, now let understand product life cycle, how CAD, CAM and CIM work on product life cycle. First of all, understand what is the full form of CAD. CAD is the, I already explained previously that CAD full form is computer aided design. And what is the full form of CAM? CAM full form is computer aided manufacturing. And the other full form of CIM is computer integrated manufacturing. Here computer integrated manufacturing takes all the parts that we can say CAD part or CAM part or cell part, every things are come in CIM. Okay, so our CAD part is different, where we design only. Okay, or the CAM part is different, where we manufacture that design. Okay, and their sale part is alag, where we marketing or customer feedbacks comes. Okay, then first of all, we when we need any design or manufacturing, so let us understand when we need any design and manufacturing. The design and manufacturing comes, we want as our needs, like there is a table but it not comfort, then we give the feedback to the producer or manufacturer of that table to do some change on table for comfort. So this feedback go to the means product the manufacturer, then the manufacturer say to the CAD designer or designer to design a table which give us comfort. So the CAD designer or designer design the chair or table as the customer needs. So the manufacturing come from needs. Need mean the customer need, how customer want chair, how customer want which type of chair. So where the needs comes make product concept where we concept the how to make this chair as a customer need. Then this concept go to the CAD designer, means designer do design in CAD or make it geometrical modeling. Okay, finite element analysis, they do also analysis with the help of software. Now we are see many software are available like AutoCAD, Creo, etc., SolidWorks. Okay, so the CAD, when CAD design, then product moving and drafting comes, all are come, or we can say the designing all parts are come in CAD. Okay, then this designs go to the CAM, means computer aided manufacturing, where first of all computer aided process planning we do. Then the planning that which type of order, which type of material we require, as this type material is present or not at the time, and the tool to make as customer need of chair is present or not present. So first of all, we if present, then we directly program on CNC machine, then CNC machines work and make actual product. This actual product go to the control quality, where quality of that product is checked, and then this product go to the market where the customer get, and if he is satisfied, then he say okay, good, etc. But if he found any type of need to more improve, so they give feedback to us, then we again maintain it, or again we improve it. Okay, so first of all, then after, if computer aided process planning the tools are not available, then we call for apply the tool. Okay, supply the tool. And if order equipment is not available like materials, so we can say to supply materials. Then when materials come, then we make products. In this way, the whole product cycle in this figure we can see and understand how it work. Okay. Now let's move on further. What is CAM? Understand. Okay, CAM is computer aided manufacturing. CAM is an application technology that uses computer software and machinery to facilitate and automate manufacturing process. Okay, computer aided manufacturing is a use of software to control the machine tool and relate one in the manufacturing of workpiece. CAM may also refer to the use of a computer to assist in all operation of a manufacturing plant, including planning, management, transportation, and storage, etc. Okay. Its primary purpose is to create a faster production process and components and tooling with more precise dimensions and material consistency, in which is in some cases uses only the required amount of raw material, thus minimize waste while simultaneously reduce energy consumption. Now understand what is the objective of CAM. The purpose of CAM is to ensure that the error rate is decreased, uniformity of production is high, and precision in the process can be achieved. The next point, the next objective of CAM is the automated plant have provided a hygiene and clean environment of various process which cannot be achieved fully by manually process. For example, the packing of meat and related product is fully done by automated plant, where automated machines are used for packing from the slaughter of the animal to the final product. Okay, this has also reduced the labor cost and other operation overhead. So let's understand some other points. CADs are divided into parts: production planning and production control. The production planning, where we plan or we give software or commanding to the machines, and the other is production control, where we where we control the production, where we manufacture that thing. So first of all, we planning. The planning comes in CAM, and production control is also coming CAM. So first to understand what points are coming planning. The first point is cost elimination, labor cost, machine cost. First we check the how many cost comes. Okay. Second point is CAP, yani means computer aided process planning. Root sheets, we make a sheet to see all about the planning of our production, calculation of machine data, NC part programming, computer aided line balance, production and inverter control. Okay. The next point, the next is production control, which comes in production control. First point is coming production control is computer process control, where we assemble system, NC control, robot material handlings, etc. And the other point is quality control. Other point is shape floor control. Okay. So these are some parts of production control and process planning, which are coming CAM. Now let us see the advantage and benefits of CAM. Okay. So our first point is very efficient produce item quicker, means very efficiently produce item quicker, less change for product to manufacturing malfunction. Okay, less chance for error, can create more complicated product, unique shape, all uniformly and clean, more cost efficiency over time, labor costs are lower. And now understand what is the disadvantage and limitation of CAM. So initial cost of purchasing CAM is high, expensive and lengthy training on how to use CAM machinery.